Not all charging cables are the same. A good fast charging cable charges your phone faster and safely. Cheap cables can damage batteries and stop working quickly. Fast charging cables are useful for students and daily smartphone users. Choosing the right cable improves charging speed and long-term device safety. Another important thing to consider while choosing this gadget is build quality and long-term usability. A good tech accessory should be durable, easy to use, and compatible with different devices. That's why selecting a reliable and useful accessory is important for daily use. Check the link in the description to explore reliable charging cable options.